I remember him calling me 2 Christmases ago and saying, "Buddy, I'm going to meet someone special this year." Well, you didn't have to wait long. That January, you did meet the love of your life. And I kid you not, that night he called me and said, "Brett, I met my wife last night." And I said, "Buddy, that's just the booze speaking." But he was right. God had a plan for you. Fate brought you two together, but love will keep you there. Thank you for letting me be a part of this special journey, and I could not be happier.
I want to offer you 2 pieces of advice that can help keep your marriage strong. Number 1, choose to love each other, even in those moments when you struggle to like each other. Love is a commitment, not a feeling. 2, remember that marriage isn't 50-50. Divorce is 50-50. Marriage has to be 100-100. It's not splitting everything in half, but both partners giving everything they've got.
I am unconditionally and irrevocably in love with you. You're my best friend, my lover, and my soulmate. The love we possess is genuine and true. God united us with this intent that we belong together, and I believe that God sent you into my life to give me something to fight for. So in the presence of God, our family and friends, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful husband. In sickness and in health, in happiness as well as in sorrow, to laugh with you and to never take 1 second for granted. And as a family, we will create a home filled with learning, laughter, and compassion. I pledge to you all of these things from the bottom of my heart for the rest of our lives.
She is selfless, that's my first word, loyal, and ambitious. Cristel is the type of person where once you become part of her family or circle, she will give all of herself to you and will make personal sacrifices that the average person couldn't fathom. In terms of being loyal, I am confident that Cristel has and will continue to ensure that you always feel as though you are the only man in the room.
Caught up in a wild that summer, rolling in thunder. Started as a welcome friend like any other June. Looking for an honesty I couldn't find in nobody. Love to bring home with me, then summer gave me you.
Joseph, in the presence of God, our family and friends, I take you today as my husband. You are an answer to my prayers, and I will spend the rest of my life thanking God for loving me enough to send me His very best. I promise to inspire you, laugh with you, and to comfort you. I promise to trust and honor you. I promise to encourage your individuality because that is what makes you unique and wonderful.
I can't sleep through the night, I got you on my mind. Sky's always on fire like the 4th of July. To be by your side, what I wouldn't do. Oh, honey, I've got it bad and I'm addicted to. Oh, I'm addicted to you.
I promise to love you faithfully through the best and the worst, through the difficult and the easy. Lastly, I promise to love you with perfection, for one lifetime with you could never be enough. As I have given you my hand to hold, I give you my life to keep from this day forward for as long as we both shall live.
We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we are still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed, words just come together, story that we never told. So far you're shaking for my own. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break,
Someone once said, a dream you dream alone is only a dream. A dream that you dream together, that is reality. Let that new reality begin at this moment. So by virtue of the authority vested in me in conformity with the laws of the state of Florida, in the presence of God, your family, and friends, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Joseph, you may now finally, officially, legally, and with much passion, kiss your bride.